Welcome back, bratans, to this channel. Today I want to speak about the full moon phases. Tomorrow on the 5th May, we will have full moon. You see here, a full moon is this gray moon, and usually there's a 70 till 80% probability of a pump. This is how we traded here, this pump. And on new moon is always 50 till 70% probability of a dump. And this is also how we traded here, this dump, bratan. This is what we will speak. But first we will start with the Fed meeting, which was yesterday, and they raised by 0.25 basis points. What does this mean? I mean, it's very clear. I told you they will raise. They have no other opportunity than to raise, because if they will stop raising interest rates, we will the inflation will skyrocket, and we see the economic is slowing down. On the other hand, the inflation is going up, so they have to raise it. But 0.25 basis points is still not enough to calm down the inflation. So what I'm watching for the end of the year, I'm still same opinion. We will see another big crash, because it's inevitable. There are only two options. Either they start raising the rates higher, then we see a crash in the market to fight the inflation, or they will at some point pivot and then start printing money, and then we will see skyrocketing Bitcoin, stocks, everything. But we will see also the inflation is skyrocketing. We will see latest after 1 or 2 years a massive hyperinflation, because there's some delay, like in the video which I told you yesterday, what Elon Musk also tweeted, right? There's always some delay because we are already in a recession. But if they can only increase even more the interest rates by fighting inflation, or like I said, start printing money. But then yes, we will see skyrocketing Bitcoin and all the stocks, but we will have a massive hyperinflation, which will lead inevitable to a massive crash. Now let's speak quickly about the full moon phase. By the way, if you are in our Telegram group, bratans, which is absolutely for free, you have here this information right straight after the announcement. You see 25 basis points. If you want, you can join it absolutely for free. Link is down below. But we are here breaking both the daily resistance line, this red line you see here, right? Right now, the probability that we see a pump on the tomorrow is not 70 to 80%. It's usually several days after, like you see here. You see full moon, and usually several days after there's a probability. So be careful if you are already in a long, because what we could see first today and tomorrow a dump to the weekly or daily support, and then a pump, right? Just be very careful. And also 70 to 80% is not a guarantee, right? So therefore, always do your own research. So right now, if you are in a long position, just make sure your stop loss here below the weekly support line, below 25,200. In case we are breaking here this monthly support line clearly down, right, with a clear 4-hourly candle, then for sure we can set a short to 26k. Not a financial advice again. I would take even profits at 26,250. You know, I'm already in a short, 5.8% short opportunity. This only for hourly traders, because in the big picture, tomorrow is full moon, and we are expecting here Bitcoin relief rally to continue. Also, some people writing here above this double bottom, right? And obviously this double bottom is in play right now, but it's not confirmed yet, because if we have pessimistic price target, we measure here from the top to the first bottom. Then we have first to break up above 29,500 approximately to confirm this double bottom. Technical price target would be around 30,900, which would be still not safe haven, because this when we can get rejected, and then we form the big double top. Just be careful. Yes, in case we are breaking here for our traders again, if we break 29,500, we could long here Bitcoin to 30,900, 4.9% short opportunity. In case we are breaking monthly support line, we can short. In the big picture, we can still, because we are expecting Bitcoin to go here to our massive resistance 35k, we can stay in our long position if it's a swing trade, which would be around a trade of 20%. But however, be careful that you stop loss below the weekly support line, right? I mean, it's crazy. You see, always when it's new moon, we see pump. Always it's when we see full moon. When we see new moon, we see dump. It's crazy. This is not a guarantee. It's all about probabilities. On Bybit, you can get $100 long position for free, up to $30,000 in bonus. Link is down below. By the way, don't forget, employment situation report will be shared tomorrow, 5th May, 12:30 UTC. This is very important, because this, if it's coming lower than expected, then we will see usually pump in the market. If it's higher than expected, we see dump in the market. But considering the new moon, we could see in the next days some pump in the market. Not a guarantee. Do your own research and watch closely. Very, very important. Watch the S&P 500, because S&P 500 still looks not good at all, because we broke here this massive support line. You see here, we retested it, and it's right now, as it seems that we are getting rejected, and we see massive dump of the S&P 500, which usually would cause also Bitcoin to dump. So watch out. Therefore, it's not a guarantee that we will see on this new moon a pump. There's only probability of 70 to 80%. I'm a little bit critical because we see the S&P 500 broke this massive support line, bratans. Thank you everyone for watching. I kiss you and see you later.